Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a no mirror makeup challenge. I don't know how I feel. I feel like I can do it. But I don't want to be too cocky and then end up with a disaster on my face. But I really want to get into it because I'm really excited to do this, and I can't actually wait to see what this turns out to be. Hopefully it's good. If not, at least you can, laugh at me. Before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy this video or if you like challenges like this, make sure to give it a like. Let's get started. I'm going to start by priming my face, and I use the Master Primer by Maybelline. I'm going to be using an illuminating face oil from Wonder Beauty because I feel like I could use a little bit of shine or glow. Okay, and I'm going to be using my No Problem. I'm a little bit skeptical as to how my brows will pan out, so I think I'm going to do that later. I'm just going to do foundation first. I think I'm going to apply so many coats of foundation because I don't know. So I think the foundation is hopefully well placed. I'm gonna... I feel so nervous. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm gonna be using the same concealers I've been using from Juvia's place. This is crazy. I'm just gonna go in with a brush first, and then I'm gonna go in with my blending sponge. Okay, I'm just gonna add a tad bit more concealer. I don't think I added enough. Just gonna add a little. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of setting spray. I'm gonna set and spray this whole look together. That's my technique. I've gone on my face multiple times, so I kind of feel like it should be blended. I don't know. Is it blended? I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use the setting powder from Juvia's place, Kalahari. I'm gonna do my brows. I think this is what I'm most scared of. When I first saw this challenge, I was like, oh, I have great intuition and I should be able to do this. But I don't think this has anything to do with intuition. It's about not being able to actually see what you're doing. So I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in Ebony. And I'm going to miraculously fill my brows. Okay, I think it starts here. How did I do, guys? I don't know. Just gonna like that here. Just gonna feel the brow. This is gonna be messy. Oh, Lord. Okay. Light strokes towards the front. Okay. Whatever that looks like, I'm pretty sure it looks done good. I'm gonna clean up my brows. Brows on fleek. Just gonna do the top brow. Oh Lord. Should I probably skip that? Oh. Just gonna clean that up a little bit. I'm using the Violets by Juvia's place. If you haven't seen my video on the berries, the nudes, and the chocolates, you have to go check it out, okay? I'm gonna take in the dark purple. Ooh, honey. I'm gonna apply this lighter purple just to my lids. I'm gonna top up my lid with some glitter, because why not? I love this one, but let's go for this. I don't think I've ever used something like this before. And just because I don't know what that would look like on my complexion, I'm just going to top that up with this rose gold-ish one. I think that's it for the eyes. I hope it's not looking crusty. If it is, I guess that's the whole point of the challenge. Okay, so I did this other eye off camera. And I think I just want to intensify probably the glitter on this end. I'm going to apply some false lashes. I already put on some glitter glue. This is gonna be hard because I have a hard time putting on lashes even with a mirror. So without a mirror, I don't know. I think I kind of got it to stick. Does it feel super duper weird? Yes. But is it sticking though? Yes. I'm gonna apply some blush, tiny bit of blush to my cheeks. I'm gonna be using the nude blush palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply some highlight. I'm using Purple Dream by Artist Couture. I'm gonna line my lips with a brown pencil. This is from the Makeup Sheila Colourpop collection, Speed Up. And then I'm gonna apply Speed Up. And yeah, I think that's it. Just gonna spritz my face. Before I take a look at my gorgeous face, I am pretty sure I may have been able to do better if I used some browns. I feel like purple was a little bit challenging, so I don't even know why I chose it. I just like a challenge. You know, if you're gonna look like a disaster, you might as well be a hurricane or a tornado. I definitely look like an auntie. And these lashes are flying. Ooh, child. Oh. Okay. I think I'm most impressed by my brows. Sorry, I gotta pull this wig a little bit further. My foundation actually looks good. My contour situation, not so bad. My brows are not half as bad as I was expecting them to turn out. Is it cheating to kind of like clean stuff up now? I don't know. But yeah, okay. So this is it. That's it. Give you guys a twirl. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. If you have any video ideas, please leave them down below. I'm gonna redo this whole look, but probably on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow my Instagram. It's at VeinLikeMe.